Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA TR7020 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA TR7020 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with PIXMA TR7020 Canon support. It doesn't matter, it has A on the end, because when we scroll down on the support page underneath software and drivers, it's just a generic TR7000 series driver setup package that we're going to be using for today's tutorial. So select the download option for that, and then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up. It will be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes to install, and you can close that out of the web browser too. And then select Start Setup, select Next. You have to accept the license agreement here. So select Yes. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and select Agree, and just give us a moment here. And you can select either Wi-Fi or USB-based connection, whatever your connection type is. And then you just would select Next to continue. And then again, just follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.